I can't sleep. I'm scared. What are all those noises? Is it something bad?
Don't be afraid, Penny. There are lots of things that make noises and have their own beat and music. Come with us, and we'll show you. In a band, each instrument makes a different sound, and together they make beautiful songs. Look how well our friends play. I like dancing. Look how good I am. I've got rhythm.
Woohoo!
At night, we hear noises that sometimes scare us because we don't know where they come from. Listen to them carefully and discover how good some of them sound.
Penny, can you hear the sound of the waves? They sound so relaxing and their rhythm helps us sleep tight. Kids, come on in. The water's great. Be careful, don't step on the crabs. There are lots of them.
Sometimes that sound you hear at night is a pleasant surprise. It might be your friends getting ready for a party next door. What do you think, Penny? Want to join the rhythm?